All right, man, we're going to the top right now. We're going in this elevator. It's packed. We're gonna go in there. Let's go. Here we go.
Basement.
We're going to the 103rd floor right here. So here we go. Oh!
Welcome to the Sky Deck. You're on your way to the top of the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. Along the way, you can watch as we pass by some of the tallest
Oh, my
buildings,
ears.
monuments, and structures in the world. You're riding up this 1,450-foot modern marvel in one of the tower's 104 elevator cars. Your trip to the Sky Deck will only take about a minute. That means your elevator is traveling at a speed of more than 24 feet per second.
24 feet per second.
1973 and held the title of the world's tallest building for 25 years. The Western Tower reaches 1,730 feet above the Chicago streets. We're now passing 850 feet at San Francisco's Transamerica Pyramid.
My ears are popping.
970 feet in the Yokohama Landmark Tower, Japan's tallest building. 1,062 feet at Paris's stunning Eiffel Tower.
Oh, we're
And
slowing
the
down.
China Tower in Hong Kong. 1,250 feet in the Empire State Building in New York. And now we're here, 103 stories up.
Yes! 103 stories.